How to send snaps on Snapchat without uploading media. First, launch the Snapchat app on your device. Instead of taking a new photo or video, tap the icon in the left corner of the screen to access your camera roll. Choose the photo or video you want to send as a snap. Once you've selected, tap the send button to send it to your desired recipient. This method allows you to send snaps directly from your camera roll without going through the regular media upload process. This can be useful if you want to quickly share a photo or video without taking a new one, or if you're experiencing issues with the media upload feature. If you encounter problems with media uploads, you could check your internet connection, clear Snapchat cache, update Snapchat, and restart your device. By following these steps, you can send snaps without media uploads on Snapchat and avoid any potential issues.